Alright, so I'm showing you how you can remove your coil pack, change your stem, install it back and everything. So now I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing with a spark plug. Alright, so the tools you're going to need an extension. It don't have to be this long as I tell you because I can't find my shorter extension. You're going to need a 40mm plug socket, right? Or some of them come in various sizes, depends on the type of carry you have. But all procedure is basically the same when you take out a spark plug. And remember guys, you have to take out your coil pack. If you don't see the coil pack video I have where you remove it, you can watch back my previous video, right? So this is all the tool you need. And also, I'm using this as a substitute because unfortunately my socket for the spark plug, it don't have a magnet. So you can't just take it out like that. So I use this as a substitute because it have a probably 8mm hole or 6 and it just magnify the top of the spark and out. So many people have that problem there if you don't have a magnet socket. So have something we can at least take it out. So come here now guys. How you do it is simply just go straight down into the spark plug hole after you remove that and you just turn simple like that. Yeah, see it's not coming up because I don't have a magnet. Alright, so my magnet here. There you go. And that's how you remove your spark plug. Very easy. As I said, this is my substitute. I don't have a magnet socket. And to install, say this is brand new, you're going to install the plug. It's the same procedure. Very simple. Very, very simple. There we go. Very simple. And put back your socket in, start tighten. And that's it, just like that. Install a coil pack back in, easy like that, done, clip on, your 10mm bolt on, and that's about it. So people, just trying to show you that you can do things yourself. You can spend a little money, get some tools. All you need is the important ones. You need a socket. You need some 10mm because them are the most famous one. We're gonna need the most for your car. 12, 14, 17 might come in handy too. You know, so once you get them small, important tools, then you're good. You can spend a 110 grand and buy your tools them and watch some tutorials and you can help yourself, right? I did it, so why you can't? So that's just basically it. Simple procedure. You know? Yeah. Peace out. Like